Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Lexus UX200 Maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here. The back button, up, down, left, right, and OK for enter. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push button, go ahead and click it to the second position. And if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Give it a second. Now every time, let me focus real fast. Give me a second. If you, every time you see this, go ahead and click back. Now use your left or your right to go find your page, which is here. Now when you get here, go ahead and scroll down. Like I said, every time you see this, go ahead and click back. And now, as you can see, the vehicle setting is highlighted. Go ahead and click OK for enter. Scroll all the way down to schedule maintenance, enter on that. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes. Now let's go back. Let's see if I have to. I guess that's it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.